Hey everybody, this is John Michael bringing you a rendering quick tip for the RealFX Digital Workshop. In this tip, we're going to look at how you can use the Google image search tool as part of your rendering workflow. Now, when you're looking for inspiration, you might go to Google and do a text search to look for images. So we might type in something like architecture and look at the images that come up. Now, this might be fine if you're just trying to get some general ideas, but if you're looking for something more specific, then this isn't really going to give you what you're looking for, because this is going to be more of general images. It's pretty much just matching anything on the internet that has to do with architecture. But what you can do is take a specific photo. So in our case, I have this sunset image here, and you can plug it into a Google tool called Google Search by Image. Let me show you how you can access that. If you go to the main Google page, you can go to the upper right-hand corner and click Images, or you can simply type in images.google.com and it'll bring it up. If you just take your image, whatever it is, whatever image you have as inspiration, you can drag it over and drop it here. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to return all visually similar images. So if we open up the tab towards the middle here, this is visually similar images. What we see is all these images have basically passed through the Google algorithm, and they've matched it to my photo based on the color, the proportion, the lines, and other things. Now, the only problem is that just because a photo looks similar doesn't mean it's something that I want. So what we want to do is go back and look up at the top here. So we have our sunset.jpg and it says HD desktop. Now, if we delete this, we see that it says describe image here. This is basically a supplemental text box. So you can actually filter your search further by typing in a description of what you're looking for. So we have our image, and now we can type in architecture. So what it's going to do is in the visually similar images, it's going to show us only images matching the architecture result that are also visually similar to our image. And this is really helpful because now what we're seeing are things that are sharing architectural images that are sharing a similar color contrast and things like that. And these are definitely things that we're going to want to use for our project. Now, if you're not seeing the specific thing that you liked in your photo, so in my case, I have the color palette of the sunset, which is actually coming up as a lot of nighttime renderings. You can go back again, and next to your original supplemental text, you can actually plug in an additional text. So if I want to see images that are visually similar to this, that are architecture, that are also taking place during sunset, I can plug the word sunset in and I'll have those pop up here. Now, this will work for whatever your purposes are. So in the supplemental text box, you can plug in whatever you need. If the image is of a winter scene or a fall scene or whatever it might be, you can filter your search down and find whatever it is that you're looking for. So there are a lot of great things you can do with the Google Search by Image tool. Let me know what you come up with in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the RealFX Digital Workshop for more great quick tips and tutorials. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.